Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a quick payment but didn't have cash on hand? Or maybe you're tired of carrying around a bulky wallet filled with cards. Well, that's where the favepay eCard comes in handy. Let's face it, sometimes traditional payment methods just don't cut it. They can be inconvenient, time-consuming, and even risky. But with the favepay eCard, you can say goodbye to these frustrations. We're going to show you exactly how to use your favepay eCard to make your life easier. From setting it up to making payments, we've got you covered. Setting up your favepay eCard. Download the favepay app. The first step is to download the favepay app from your smartphone's app store. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This process is quick and easy and only requires basic information. Add funds. To use your favepay eCard, you'll need to add funds to it. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a credit card. Making payments with your favepay eCard. Open the favepay app. To make a payment, simply open the favepay app on your smartphone. Scan the QR code. At most stores, you'll be able to pay by scanning the QR code displayed on the payment terminal. Enter the amount. Once you've scanned the QR code, you'll need to enter the amount you want to pay. Confirm the payment, review the payment details, and confirm the transaction. That's it. Your payment will be processed instantly. Additional features of the favepay eCard. In addition to making payments, the favepay eCard offers a variety of other features, including cashback rewards. Earn cashback on your purchases and redeem it for discounts or cash. Bill payments. Pay your bills directly from the favepay app. Money transfers. Send money to friends and family instantly. Mobile top-ups. Recharge your mobile phone data or airtime. The favepay eCard is a convenient and secure way to make payments. With its easy-to-use interface and a variety of features, it's no wonder why so many people are choosing to switch to digital payments. So, what are you waiting for? Download the favepay app today and start enjoying the benefits of digital payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.